Whenever I make onions like this, everybody loves them so much and always asks me for the recipe, so I'm going to show you how to make them. Start by cutting up 4 white onions, and I'm cutting these into pretty large slices, just like this. Once your onions are cut up, we're going to go ahead and separate all the layers just like this, just using your hands. This recipe is so amazing, and I know it's going to surprise your whole family. They are going to love it. All right, once everything is separated, we're going to go ahead and take those larger pieces like this. And we're going to take 100 grams of cheddar cheese and just chop that cheese into small pieces, just like this. Once your cheese is chopped, go ahead and add it into a bowl. I'm now going to add in some fried bacon. This is 100 grams of bacon I've already fried ahead of time. I'm also going to add 1 cup of curd cheese, which is about 200 grams. Now let's give everything a good mix together. This cream cheese is perfect and full of so much flavor. All right, after mixing this up, it's time to put it in the microwave. And we really just want to microwave this until that cheese is nice and melted. All right, this is the result that we're looking for. Now let's go ahead and add this cream inside our large onion slices. And we're going to do this by using 2 spoons just like this. You want to make sure they're stuffed really well. Once you've stuffed all of your onion pieces, it is time for the freezer. I added plastic wrap underneath so it wouldn't stick, but we just want to put this in the freezer until they get nice and hard. All right, once that cheese has hardened, it looks like this. We can continue with the recipe. This is what we want them to look like. They're perfectly solid. In a dish, I'm going to be adding 200 grams of flour. In another dish, I'm going to add 5 eggs. You want to mix the eggs well. No need to season this. You can just use a fork. All right, and then the next dish, we're going to be adding some crushed nacho chips. All right, now it is time to bread these and fry them. First, take an onion and mix it in the flour. Then you're going to dip it in the egg mixture. And to finish, add them in that crushed nacho mix. Go ahead and set that aside on a plate, and we're going to finish the process with all of our onion pieces. All right, now it is time to fry. So go ahead and add the onions to that hot oil. We want to add all of the pieces to fry. We're going to let these fry for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, they are ready to go. Let's go ahead and remove them. Just shake off any excess oil and put them on a plate. I just love the taste of this spiced onion. It's so good. We've got to dig into these. I just love this recipe so much. And you're going to see here that that cheese is so creamy and super melted. Look how amazing this looks. My mouth is watering. You've got to call your family to enjoy with you.